This exam will last for 1 hour 30 minutes. Your time starts now.
Jesus is Lord.
Yes, so you know those who will say come back here next year. My friend, submit now.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hello. You submitted your answer booklet to me with your left hand. You are a fool. You don't have respect. Even if you don't respect the institution, can't you respect this?
You are a
man. Are you crazy? You will come back to write this exam next year.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not just next year, you are writing this exam in another 9 years. How dare you give me your answer booklet with your left hand? You!
See that lecturer. We tell your paper for exam hall when you submit paper with left hand.
I'll give a check of 2 million with my left hand. May I see if he will carry or not.
Money matter.
I want to see if he will respect that culture. Sir, I don't run now. Look at us now. We are your students.
My students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Afternoon, how are you?
We are good, sir.
Well done.
Hello, sir.
You are all grown up.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, sir, we are today pass. Now we say we don't feel leave our lecturer like that.
Just here for road.
So that's why I just to we really say we want just give you the check of 2 million naira.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man.